Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val. If this is how you do it, I am going to show you how to cook Brussels sprouts. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to roast them. I'm going to cut them in half, right down the middle, and drop them in here. And I'm going to do each one that way. Now, I did cut the end off it if you didn't catch that. Now what I'm going to do is take some oil. Use your favorite oil, it doesn't matter. Put it over that. Take some garlic powder. Sprinkle it over it. Take some Himalayan pink salt. Put it in there. But you can use any type of salt you like. It's just some black pepper, crushed pepper, black pepper, pepper, whatever pepper you like. And then take your hands and make sure that that oil coated each vegetable. Now I got quite a bit of in here, so, and as that oil coats each vegetable, it's also getting that seasoning on it too. You take your pan that you're going to put in the oven. That's okay to put in the oven. And this pan is okay to put in the oven. Put your Brussels sprouts down. Now I have some loose leaves in there. I'm going to leave them in there too, because I can eat them too. You know what I mean? Face down. That's what I'm trying to do. And the rest of them are just thrown in there. But the big ones, I have them face down in here. Try to move my shirt out the way. There's quite a bit of Brussels sprouts here. I didn't know we had so many. But just continue to do this and place them face down. Like I said, if you have extra leaves, more for the eating. And those leaves can probably help protect your the surface of your Brussels sprout also. That's a good idea. So they won't get too crispy, because I'm roasting them. And you do want them to turn brown and caramelize. All that goodness. If you like Brussels sprouts and you don't have a problem with them even when they're boiled, you will like this also. You put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Make sure they're not sticking by shaking it a little bit. And then take them out 15 more minutes. So we're doing a time like 30 minutes. Now it's time for the Brussels sprouts to be shaken. So I'm going to put them right here. Stop this. Turn this back up for 15 minutes, 15 more minutes, because I'm going to put it back in the oven, but I want to take it out to look at it and to shake it around a little bit. That's all I'm going to do. Just make sure it can move. See? Yeah, everything is fine. Move it this way, move it that way. What I was trying to do is shake it, but it didn't shake, so I'm just moving it. And stick them right back in there for another 15 minutes. Off. This is what they look like. Take them out the pan while it's still hot. Get this close. This pan is too hot to hold by yourself. So let you see what the roastiness look like on them. So if you turn them over, they look that way. But let me get them out the pan. And that's what your roasted Brussels sprouts will look like. That's what they will look like. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. Showing you how to roast Brussels sprouts. And I'll see all you beautiful people in the next video. Bye-bye now.